Hello friends, today I'm sharing with you some furniture we've purchased, some DIYs I've done, and other home decor I've bought for the cottage since I did my last home tour, which was the spring home tour. So I'm going to start out on this little sofa table behind our couch in the living room. What I did was took these candle holders and this vase. These were a metallic silver and that vase was black, and I just painted a solid color on them both, and then I took brown and copper paint and made brush strokes on them to give them a kind of weathered rustic look, and I thought those turned out really pretty. I also just got these roses for this vase from Hobby Lobby. They were half off. They're kind of a coppery brownish color, and I thought those went really well with the birch candles and the wicker basket on this little table and my beaded lantern that's over here next to it. So I thought that turned out really cute. This is my entryway table. I've had this for years. I got it from Wayfair in about 2016. And it used to be silver, and I just recently painted it the bronzy gold color, the trim. And I got these beaded lamps from Hobby Lobby. I think these are so pretty. This is what they look like with the light off. Look at the details of that. I just love anything with beads on it. I think it's really pretty. And these I got for half off, so I got both of these lamps for $100. And I got this gorgeous mirror, this arched mirror from Amazon. It was $100. I love how it has the metal going down the middle, and it makes it really look like a window. I think that is so pretty. And then I hung my deer head up above the mirror. And I just feel like it gave it a little more of a rustic vibe. I've kind of ventured away from the glam look in my living room. My bedroom is still like that, but the living room, I'm doing more of a rustic, modern farmhouse, I guess, with little touches of glam here and there, but I think that turned out really pretty. So that's another change I've done recently. And over here on my little plaid accent wall in the living room, I got that paper from Target. I saw that in someone else's YouTube video in their dining room, and I immediately went and bought some. I loved it. I got this black jute rug from Overstock, which I put under this little table I got from Rooms to Go. These gorgeous beaded candle holders, I've had them, but I got them from the at-home store. And I love these candles. I ordered them from Amazon. They're battery operated, they're black, and it's real wax. And I have those all over the house. Those are, you get 3 of them for $20, and I love those. This vase started out like a metallic silver, more glam looking vase. And I took white paint and brown paint and just dabbed it with a crumpled up piece of paper towel, and then just dabbed the paint all over the vase to give it that rustic look. And then I have black roses in that vase from Hobby Lobby to go with my black and white theme in here. Oh, and that gorgeous mirror, which I've had this too, but since I'm showing this, That gorgeous mirror came from Overstock as well, and it was about $120. It has that beaded effect on it that I love. That's so pretty. And that's how that little wall looks. I'm really happy with that. And just wanted to share, I did do another accent wall here in our laundry room with that same plaid paper that I got at Target. I just thought it was too cute and I had to do another wall with it. I think it turned out adorable. Here's another recent purchase we've made. We bought this beautiful entertainment center from the furniture store called Haverty's. And we got a bigger TV to put in it. And we absolutely love that. It has lights at the top, on the top shelf, and you can make them, there's 3 different settings to make them dim, brighter, and brightest. And I put my plaid chairs from Jenny's.com on each side of it. And the main reason I wanted entertainment center in here was, if you see any of my old home tours, there was a window, well, there is a window behind this entertainment center that was off-centered, and it just always looked weird to me, just like in our bedroom that I covered up with a wall of curtains and a mirror. In here I covered that off-centered window up with this, and it completely covered it up, so it was just perfect. And I think it's a beautiful piece of furniture. It's got storage at the bottom that we have DVDs, and I've got some candles in there. And I love the shelf at the top with the lights. That will be fun to decorate for fall, Halloween, and Christmas. I'll put some really pretty decor up there. And on each side, I know the wall is dark. I painted these accent walls throughout the house in a color called wrought iron, which is a very dark gray, but on camera it looks black, but it's really a dark charcoal gray. On each side, I got these wall hangers, and I put these black flowers inside them to go on each side just for balance. And of course, when I decorate for fall, I'll put some fall florals in both of those. But yeah, we love this new piece of furniture. And here's our kitchen, and I'll show you some things I've done in here recently, some changes and new things I've bought. And Frankie, my pug Frankie, wants to say hello. Say hello, Frankie. Say hello. He likes to be in my videos. Frankie, say hello, baby. Okay, so here in the kitchen, one thing I got recently was this shelf. I'm sure a lot of you have seen this shelf at Hobby Lobby. I hung this above the kitchen window above the sink. I got it half off, so I think it was about $18. I got the little bless sign that's on it from Big Lots. And I got the greenery on each side from Hobby Lobby. Up here above this cabinet, I got this beautiful lantern. I got this at an antique store here in Tennessee. And I got a bigger one that's in the living room next to the entertainment center. I think those are absolutely gorgeous. This is another thing I've purchased, is this gorgeous Farmhouse Riser. I bought this on Etsy from a store called Texas Farmhouse Co. And I think this looks absolutely beautiful right here. I did have that little bless sign down there, but when I bought the shelf, I put it up there. So now I just threw some little plaid pumpkins in there for filler. But if you know me, autumn is my favorite season, and I leave little hints of fall throughout the house all year anyway. I got this little light up galvanized house at another antique store. It was $10. Another little fall accent I leave out is this Scentsy pumpkin warmer. It's a white pumpkin, so it goes with my black and white theme. I got that on eBay for $40. Another thing I've gotten recently is this galvanized container from Hobby Lobby and the Greenery. It was in the spring collection, so it was marked down, I think about 75%. And this plaid lamp also came from Hobby Lobby. I've had that for a couple of years. And then up here on top of this cabinet, I got this beautiful picture with the eucalyptus in it from Kirkland's, and it was half off. And I got these beautiful beaded candle holders from a store called Burke's. And I have a picture of from me and my husband's wedding up there in black and white. And I leave that little fall sign above my refrigerator all year. Yes, I love fall. It goes with my black and white, so. I got that arch above this window from the Dollar General, and it was a tan light wood color, and I painted it black. So that's some things I've done in the kitchen since my last tour. This is that other beautiful lantern I got at that antique store. I think this one was $29, but I absolutely love this. I think it's so gorgeous and well worth that price. I recently redid our bathroom. I made it look more boho. This is what it looks like. I got this rug from Walmart and it was $12. That's really pretty. This is my favorite piece of all. This was a gorgeous Starburst Mirror I got from Ashley Furniture. It was $200. You can see that when you walk in our front door. And I wanted something that would make a huge statement. And I think it definitely did. And these little starbursts around it, they were all gold, and I just took them outside and spray painted them bronze so they would go with this mirror. I think that turned out really cute. And above the toilet here, I have my little llama. She came from Burlington. And this plant came from Big Lots. This little accent towel came from Hobby Lobby. These shelves came from Overstock. And I just have some family photos and a plant from Hobby Lobby. Candle holders. Don't remember where they came from. I've had them for years. And over here, this mirror above the bathroom sink. I painted it too. I painted the base of it black, and then I took bronze paint and just dipped it with a paper towel and then dabbed it all over the mirror to give it that kind of rustic hammered effect. which I think that turned out really pretty. And my soap dispenser and toothbrush holder, they both came from Amazon for some little pops of gold in here. This plant came from Burke's. That plant came from Target. That little towel came from cb2.com, Beads, Hobby Lobby. Vintage owl hooks my mom gave me. I love those. When I take my earrings off, I hang them up there. And then my mom gave me this beautiful little vintage beaded mirror I've got up there also. Sorry it's dark in here. We live in a 92-year-old cottage. It's 968 square feet, and that's why I named my channel Renee's Cozy Cottage, because our house is small and cozy and we love it. This plant over here came from TJ Maxx. The little stand under it came from Old Time Pottery. And over here we just have shelves for storage with towels and my husband's toiletries. And I love this little planter. I got her at Target for $20, and the little greenery sticking out of her came from Old Time Pottery. And I've got more greenery down here and baskets with extra toilet paper and stuff. And then I absolutely love this shower curtain. It's black with ruffles, and I got that on Amazon for $30. And I will try to link whatever I can in the description box down below, the things I've bought that weren't from antique stores or something that I've gotten online. I'll link for you guys if you're interested. Thank you guys, and you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.